We will discussing about sampling distribution of the mean. So here are the steps in constructing sample distribution of the means. First, determine the number of possible samples that can be drawn from the population using the formula and size of the population combination size of the sample, where big letter N is the sample of the population and small letter n is the size of the sample. Second, list all the samples and compute the mean of each sample. Third, construct a frequency distribution. Of the sample means obtained in step 2. Now that we know the steps in constructing sampling distribution of the means, let's now proceed to our problem.
Step 1. So we all know that our population size is 5 and the sample size is 2. So using the formula of n combination of n equals to n factorial over n small n factorial times big N minus small n factorial. So now let's plug in the corresponding values of the formula. So our population size is 5. So let's put it there. So our population size is 5. So 5 factorial is equals to 5 plus 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And our sample size is 2. So 2 factorial is equals to 2 times 1. And we all know that the population size minus sample size is equals to 3. So 3 factorial. So 3 times 2 times 1. So we cancel the same value. So we have now the 5 times 4 times 8 equals to 16. And the 3 times 2 times 1 is equals to 6. So 60 divided by 6 is equals to 10. So now that we know that we have 10 pairs of samples in our population size, now we are going to proceed to our second step. So step 2, sampling distribution of size 2. So these are the list of samples taken from our population size. So 2 and 3, 2 and 6, 2 and 8, 2 and 11, 3 and 6, 3 and 8, 3 and 11, 6 and 8, 6 and 11, and 8 and 11. So all in all, we have 10 different samples. So now we're going to get the mean of our sample. So we all know that our mean is just simply the average of the two samples. So now 2 plus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 2.5. And 2 plus 6 divided by 2 is equals to 4. 2 plus 8 divided by 2 is equals to 5. 2 plus 11 divided by 2 is equals to 6.5. And so on and so forth. So we're going to add this all mean and we will gonna have our sum of the mean 16.
Now, let's proceed to our third step, which is constructing a frequency table obtained from our second step. So frequency is we're just going to take how many times our mean appeared in our data. So 2.5 appeared only once in our data, so we are going to put 1. And 7 appeared twice in our data, so we are going to put 2. And so on and so forth. So our frequency has a total of 10. So the next step is we are going to list the probability. So the probability of 2.5 is 1 over 10 because it only appeared once in our data, and we have a total of 10. So and so on and so forth. Well, 7 appeared twice in our data, that's why we are going to put 2 over 10. So the formula in finding our sampling distribution of our mean is given by mu times x equals sum of our mean, which is sigma times x, divided by our sample size. Now we know that we have 60 divided by 10, which is the number of our samples, 10. So, meaning to say we have our mean 6. We are done finding or solving the mean of our sampling distribution of mean. Let's now proceed in finding our variance. But first, we should construct a table containing these values in finding our variance. So, your table should contain your mean, the P of x bar minus mu, and the square of your x bar minus mu, and then P times x bar multiplied by your x bar minus mu squared. So, in finding your x bar minus mu, we simply know that our mu is equal to 6. In finding our x bar minus mu is simply subtracting your mean, your x bar by your mean. So, 2.5 minus 6 is negative 3.5 and so on and so forth. Now, in finding your x bar minus mu squared is simply finding the square of your x bar minus mu. So, negative 3.5 times negative 3.5 is equal to 12.25. Now, let's proceed to our P times x bar multiplied by your x bar minus mu squared. So, it's just simply multiplying x bar minus mu squared and your P of x bar. So, 12.5 times 0.1 is equal to 1.2. Constructing our table, let's now proceed in solving for our variance. So, the formula in finding our variance equals the sum of your P times x bar multiplied by your x bar minus mu squared. So, it is just simply adding the values here, and then that is your variance already. So, the sum of these values is 4.275, and that is your variance, and that will be obtained.
Did you learn something from this video? Now it's your turn to solve. Just follow the steps and you're good to go.